Hello and thank you for watching this presentation on the St. Anthony Road Reconstruction Project. My name is Blair Mashelin. I'm with the City of London. We're sharing information a little bit differently this year to ensure public safety and follow COVID-19 restrictions on public gatherings. This presentation is part of a project update meeting, or PUM, for residents to learn more about project details and impacts. First, we'd like to share a little about neighborhood street reconstruction happening across London. The city is committed to maintaining strong and healthy communities through safe and accessible infrastructure. As roads degrade over time, they can begin to crack and show distress. The city identifies neighborhood streets in poor road condition and reconstructs them in the spring and summer months. In some cases, these projects present an opportunity to include building a new sidewalk in compliance with council policy on one or both sides of the street where they currently do not exist. Each project is different with its own design, timeline, and infrastructure that needs to be replaced. We hope this presentation can introduce you to the work that is being planned and help answer some of the questions you may have. Project overview. St. Anthony Road Reconstruction. St. Anthony Road is included in the 2021 Annual Road Reconstruction Program, or ARRP, to be fully reconstructed. This includes a new asphalt road and new curbs and catch basins, and the introduction of a new sidewalk. 82 meters of new water main is also to be installed. 10 trees are slated to be removed on St. Anthony Road, 7 due to the sidewalk, 2 due to water main install, and 1 due to poor health. Project design. Waterworks. Water main replacement. Approximately 82 meters of new 200 millimeter diameter water main is to be installed in front of 1137 St. Anthony Road, going east to 1127 St. Anthony Road, located in the North Boulevard behind the curb, so right where the pointer is pointing here. Residents will be notified in advance of any water disruptions. Roadworks. Excavation of existing road base and placement of new road base and asphalt. Installation of new catch basins and new curb. Introduction of a new sidewalk on the south side of the road on St. Anthony. What's ahead for construction? Construction phase. Tree removals to be completed in advance of the road construction. The existing asphalt and curbs will be removed. Driveways and road will be maintained and restored by the end of each day. Sidewalks. Sidewalks. New sidewalk construction. A 1.5 meter wide sidewalk with a 1 meter boulevard is proposed on the south side of St. Anthony from Hampton Crescent west leg to Hampton Crescent east leg. A 1.8 meter wide sidewalk adjacent to the curb is slated to be installed from Hampton Crescent east leg to Hyde Park Road on the south side of the road. Trees. Tree assessment. The design of the project includes a tree assessment completed by the City of London Forestry Division. The assessment includes evaluation of tree health, size, and species, recommendations for tree pruning, recommendations for tree protection during construction, and lastly, identification of tree removals. Tree removals. Tree removals are identified where the tree health is identified as poor and removal is coordinated with the project. Conflict with the installation of new infrastructure is unavoidable. Tree removals are a joint decision between the City Forestry Division and the engineering project team. Tree planting. The city has a consolidated yearly contract for the planting of trees across multiple projects. This contract is separate from the neighborhood reconstruction project. The City Forestry Division will assess and plan tree planting where applicable. Parking. Parking during construction. Access to driveways will be maintained except for times when work on driveways and curbs are completed. Cars can park on adjacent streets when this work is completed. Parking enforcement is notified that construction is happening and parking on adjacent streets is allowed overnight. Questions or comments? Questions or comments? You can ask a question or provide comment at the following link, or contact the project manager, Kyle Fairhurst or Darius Dow.